I want to show you how to declare a structure in C. So structures are really common in C where you don't have classes. It's your next best thing. So to declare a struct in C, the keyword is struct. Then you give it a name, make a person struct. And you follow that with the open and close curly brackets. And inside your brackets, you put all your members. So this person structure is going to have a C string for a name. It's going to have let's do an integer age. Let's do a float weight. That's how you define the structure. Then to actually use it, if you're not dynamically creating it, you just, again, the keyword struct, name of the struct, and then the name of the variable. Let's call this one Bill. Then to set the individual members inside the structure, you just use the dot notation. So bill.name is equal to Bill. Make him 23. Let's say he weighs 175.1 pounds. And then to see that, you can access it the same way. Just print out the everything. So let's print out the string for his name, his integer for his age, and float for his weight. So bill.name, bill.age, and bill.weight. Now when we run this, you can see Bill is 23 and weighs 175.1 pounds. So one other thing, oftentimes when you are defining structs, handy to type def them. So you see how we still had to declare Bill as a struct. If we make this a type def, and then right after the curly brackets, we put the same name for the structure here. We're type defing the structure as a person. So then in the future when we use it, we don't have to declare it as a struct. It's already been type defed. So just to show you that that still works, it should do the exact same thing. There you go.